Hey guys, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Munch Backpack Lunch Kit Combo from Champion. Whether you're working, going to school, or going to the gym, this bag is going to be perfect for you. It's got a very durable polyester design with a flat bottom to make sure that it sits upright, and it's got plenty of mesh on each side pocket to keep everything that you keep in there cool, like some water bottles, so it doesn't get your backpack all soggy. It's got a carrying handle on the top with 2 adjustable straps with plenty of cushioning for your comfort. This bag features a very nice addition here. It's got a removable lunchbox right there on the front, so you can have a little lunchbox to carry around. It's got a carrying handle on the top, and it opens up to a pretty spacious compartment. Plenty of insulation to keep your lunch cold or hot. The main part of this bag has one zipper right here that opens up to a pretty spacious compartment on the inside there to store anything you might need. Overall, this is going to be the perfect bag to take to the gym or to work. If you go out for long periods of time and you like to eat your own home-cooked food, then this backpack is for you. Grab yours today. It's from Champion.